Hey everyone, Don McGuire here, and today we have something truly special to unbox. This is the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 series, powered globally by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy. Let's dive right in and see what makes these phones so extraordinary. First off, let's talk about the 8 Elite for Galaxy. This is the most powerful Snapdragon processor customized specifically for the Galaxy S25 series. It's a game changer, folks, transforming mobile performance and revolutionizing your on-device experiences. Thanks to our custom-built Qualcomm Orion CPU, you'll see a huge jump in performance and battery life across the board, whether you're gaming, taking photos, or just creating content. Now let's dive into what makes the 8 Elite for Galaxy so special. This processor brings multimodal Gen AI to life right on your device. And you get a personal AI assistant with Google Gemini for effortless multitasking, creative inspiration, and instant answers, all at your fingertips. Add all my Manchester United home matches to my calendar.
Okay, you want to create these 4 events. Do you want to go ahead and create them right now?
Yes.
Okay, everything's done.
For photography and videography enthusiasts, the 8 Elite for Galaxy powers an AI-driven camera that's simply unstoppable. With features like photography video, with audio eraser, and real-time 4K semantic segmentation, your photo and video capabilities are limitless. Plus, the Qualcomm Spectra ISP ensures sharper than ever low-light video capture, even at 8K and 30 frames per second. Whether you're capturing stunning night videos or high-resolution wide-angle shots, Snapdragon Tech ensures you get the winning shot every time. For gamers, you're in for a real treat. The 8 Elite for Galaxy gives you a major boost in graphics performance, delivering raw power for revolutionary gaming experiences. Enjoy film-quality 3D environments and mind-blowing explosions, all thanks to the strength and resilience of this powerful processor. And for those who love streaming, Samsung and Qualcomm work closely together to enhance video display quality and efficiency. This means you can watch everything in stunning detail with lifelike images on screen. Connectivity is another area where the 8 Elite for Galaxy really shines. With global support for Wi-Fi 7 fueled by the Qualcomm Fast Connect 7800, you'll get faster speeds, lightning-fast responses, and amazing performance, even in crowded areas. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, is here to redefine what a smartphone can do. Powerful, efficient, and packed with cutting-edge features, it's everything you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unboxing videos and tech reviews. See you next time.